So here we have a question that 5 divide by 5 divide 5 divide 5, right? So now 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, right? Again 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one division, here division, and here division. And all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Divide 5, divide 5, right? Now 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 upon 5 divide 5. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 upon 5. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this second fraction 5 is equal to 1 upon 5, right? Now 1 times 1 is equal to 1 and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the correct answer is 1 upon 25, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.